Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create glowing text with layer styles. Today we will create glowing text using Photoshop layer style. Start with a black background for better contrast. Type your text in bold font for maximum visibility. Now open layer styles and select outer glow. Pick a soft neon color like a cane or purple. Increase the spread slightly to make the glow pop, and also add an inner glow for depth and soft lighting effect. Adjust the blend mode to screen for better blending, and also enhance the effect with a subtle drop shadow. No lower opacity if looks too strong. Your glowing text will now look professional and balanced. Try duplicating the layer for extra shine.